famous. Everyone know you. Is salutable.
It's a realistic approach. You have already did. Oftenly, you are
What
checking
is the
your own
most
account.
important for speak with you or not? That
Communicate with the other people who knows better than English. You try to never repeat those mistakes. Afternoon, ma'am.
this is your first meeting, so I would like to know yourself, sir.
Yeah, surely, ma'am. Basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. And in terms of my education, so I have completed my matriculation and I'm a driver. Yeah, that's all about me. And you know me, I have my own YouTube channel, which is based on a spoken English, Jaffa Driver Talk.
Yeah, I know, sir. I watch your many video. I know very well you, but
Okay.
my yeah. So I first of all I want to know, sir, where you find me? How do you know me?
You have attended some session with Hima ma'am and Santa ma'am and Jashoda ma'am, right?
Yeah.
It's a realistic approach. You have already did it. So
Thank you, sir. You connected me. So first of all, I eagerly want to know about your journey, sir.
I'm not associated with this journey since long time, but I have been practicing since 1 year. One of the foreign passengers, he advised me to learn this language. Later on, he becomes my friend. Still now, sometime I'm connecting with him by audio call. He forced me to learn this language because he suggested to me that if you will create your own channel, so you will get galore opportunity and you will get lot many people who is by you can correct yourself. So earlier I was nothing in this field, so I was practicing by myself. So I had tutor, you know, that some classes I have already attended from different platform. Yeah, that's how I have learned a lot from the tutor. Yeah,
Which type of compliment you get mostly?
this is the super miraculous for us. If you are a YouTuber, so oftenly you are checking your own account that somebody have been comment in your comment section, so that's matter a lot. It has already drastically changed, I could say. Now I'm getting so many comments that how can I connect with you and I want to talk with you. So it's great pleasure for me because I was nothing, so I never thought that I could be reached somewhere. It makes me feel better. Yeah.
Basically, nowadays everyone want to learn this language.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
but, lack of vocab. That's why we are unable to fluency. And you have many vocab and advanced vocab. So please tell me how we learn this vocabs.
God has been great of us that's why you have came across my channel and you have been following to me since a long time. It's 5 months. It's not a easy task. We cannot navigate. Many people will suggest you that if you want to learn vocabulary, so you have to read more and more. But I'm exceptional for that because I'm not reading anything. But sometime I'm watching some videos and I'm always interconnected with the people. Some people are from England, some people are from America.
If I ask, according to you, what is the most important for speaking English language?
Yes, earlier I have already told you that you have attended some session from the mentor. They are like a mentor because they have their huge fan, and obviously the apple of eye of the viewers. You have already attended 3 session. You have been able to allocating your time with those things. No.
When did you text me, sir? At that time, I didn't give you message quickly because I feel communicate with you. I can communicate with you or not. That's why I delayed that text.
I think we are on the same boat because you are a YouTuber. So definitely you have created your own channel which is based on spoken English. So now you are thinking that I cannot be able to present myself in front of anyone, right? Maybe you are searching the people or you are inquisitor who is based on you. So that is not a good deal because if you will communicate with the other people who knows better than English you, so that might be helpful for your journey, you know, how
Yes, sir.
they
Yes.
demonstrate themselves, the way of speaking you can imbibe or you can modulate. Always try to shopping to the other people, no, you don't need to afraid to anyone. Yeah.
So, do you have any questions, sir, for me?
Yes, I have a lot of questions. So now tell me something about you, your family, and why do you live?
To introduce myself, sir, I am
Yeah.
Bhavani from Raipur in Chhattisgarh. If you talk about my qualification, I have done post graduation in English literature and DLED. I am a teacher. I teach primary classes in private sector, and I have two kids. And my channel name English with Bhavani. That's all
Yeah.
about me.
So what are the tasks you did already since morning? That was special for you today?
Nothing special, but my daily routine. I get up early morning 4:30 because my
Yeah.
son goes to morning walk, and
Yeah.
he joined to RSS group, and my
Yeah.
daughter, she goes to yoga classes at 5
Mhm.
o'clock.
You teach your kids.
Yes, I teach my kids.
So it is totally hard for anyone to teach the kids, no, because they know something. If they will going to ask you the questions, maybe sometime you are not familiar with these questions. So is it happen with you? Sometime you are fumbling or you don't know the what is the answer.
Yes, sir. It
Yeah.
happens sometimes, but if I don't know, so I search Google, then
Yeah.
I
In Google, YouTube. So if you will fail any certain topic, so then and there you can search the Google, YouTube like that.
I gave coaching classes at home also, also,
Mm.
sir, 30 to 8th class.
I can predict something or maintaining everything in your household work, and simultaneously you are teaching to the private school and teaching some coaching center. No, so are an entrepreneur something little bit, not that much. Yeah, it's a help to your family members. Yeah, so if you have conservative family or if you have any wealthy husband, so no need to entrepreneur on yourself. You can survive yourself very easily. But the thing is that rural people always struggle a lot to make to ends meet, and sometimes it is difficult to earn all the expensive in our family members, right? So that's the reason we have to do something. You are great. Absolutely like to salute you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Why do you live? It's pure village or little bit city?
Native city, sir, you can say capital of Chhattisgarh.
Are you enjoying with the urban area?
I've never lived in village my life.
Yeah. Yeah. So you never been to village or you are not familiar with the culture of village, right?
I make many mistakes when while speaking English. So please suggest me which method I use so I able to speak English and fluency. I get fluency.
Yeah, I am also mistaking a lot because sometimes it happens tongue twister or sometimes it's slip of tongue. We are skipping some article, preposition, conjunction, and sometimes grammatical part also. So this is the unconscious mistakes, no? Because that you are mistaking. But the same time, maybe if some gig or mentor watch the entire video, they could rectify some mistakes. But the thing is that doesn't matter that you are mistake, but when you are going to watch this video, so your inner energy must tell you that that sentence was wrong, right? When you find your mistakes or when you rectify your mistakes, so the next conversation try to never repeat those mistakes, right? Keep continuously talking with the people.
Your channel monetize, sir?
If you want to grow yourself, you need to be consistent with your YouTube channel, no? So we can't do that. I'm always occupied with my work. So yeah, we are making video. That's not be matter, but the indispensable thing that it need to be edit some part. This is pausing me a lot. Yeah.
You sir started YouTube channel, sir.
If you'll talk about my YouTube channel, so no one motivated me to create my YouTube channel. But actually, I was habitual to upload was some content. Earlier, I was watching some funny videos, Kopil Sharma, and some dancing video. You know that the young people always habitual to watch some dancing video like that, and the comedy videos. But one day or I can recollect something that I was scrolling my YouTube channel. So suddenly I saw a video with the Clapingo with the learner, one of the teacher and learner. So I was thinking that I have little bit knowledge about this language, so if I may try any practices, maybe it could be helpful for my journey.
I want to ask how you know Skype app and how you know connect anybody, because when I start at that time, any problem.
Yeah, I was also facing the same problem. No, I had the problem earlier how to connect to the people on Skype. Even the first call I have got from the Ajay sir, English is speaking. So that was my first call. Actually, I didn't know how to download the Skype video. So he always guide to me how can you record the session, how can you download the session, and what is the platform you can modify your videos, and many more application. Whatever they feel much easier, they can use this application. Actually, he guided me a lot. Yeah, any success people, if they will share their story with you or me, so we can their story also lead me to uplift our journey, no, we can growth by themselves. Yeah, if we will.
Yes, sir. Thank you for connecting me. I learned many things, and I'm so
No,
happy.
इससे ज्यादा आप बोलेंगे ना तो रो दूंगा, नहीं था, ठीक है, आप अगर ज्यादा बोलेंगे ना तो रोना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर मेरे ख्याल में।
So happy. Yeah,
या
I watched your many video. I at that time think he study only 10th class, but
हाँ
anyhow your situation that time you didn't continue your study,
या
but to achieve your goal and now you famous. Everyone know you. Is salutable.
Yeah, thank you. It was my intention, no. A good teacher, they don't want to poorly performance from their student, no, because you have connected with me. So I never expect from your side that you will poor performance in front of me. I always expect from your side that you will give me good speech from your side, no. When I get connected with the tutor, so I definitely I going to use some advanced level vocabularies, and they always curious from my side that how did you learn this language and how did you improve yourself. So, I never thought that I could be today. They will love me. It's great pleasure for me, and I have achieved something that not easy for anyone, because so many people over there in they have their great life. Eventually they don't think to, I'm from rural area and I'm from farmer background family, but all over the countries people they will get to know me.
That's why I'm saying, na.
Your journey is so enthusiastic. I i hope that I will see you very soon somewhere.
Enough for me. When I able to convey my thought in English language fluency, for because I want to learn this language only for my kids and my
Yeah,
students.
no need to think about more that this person is good or this person is bad or he knows better than me, because every fluent speaker was once a beginner, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah. When it,
why do you think each and every time that he's a fluent or not? Because you will become fluent in a day. No need to worry about it. No.
I'm so happy you very motivate me. So now I feel yeah I am a something.
Yes, of course. From my beginning, I have always told to the people that this is my intention, because people, if they will motivate in daily basis with the other people that he is doing good, he is doing best, so how they will become success in their life, no? Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Thanks a lot again.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Wrap up because 26 minutes completed. That's why I
Yeah.
can't